Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a new essential oil brand with you guys. I just ordered Mountain Rose Herbs after a lot of requests, and I did some research, and they are so legit. If I had one word to describe them, it would be legit. They do everything right as far as getting their oils. So soil, plant, harvesting, distilling, and then just being a really good company. Like, they are so sustainable. Look at this packaging. It's a cardboard, everything about them is just so good for the earth. They are from Oregon, I believe, and they have been around for a really long time. So I'm going to share a few things that I have found about them that I love, and then I'm going to share what I got. The prices are so good, so I'm really excited. So let's get started. So they were founded in 1987, so that is, I think, the oldest company that I have compared and tried so far. So I'm really excited about that. I feel like they have had so much time to perfect and just do everything the right way, which they have, just from the research that I've done. So I'm excited about that, and I also will put a link in this blog post below of their timeline and how they've improved and grown and done so many things, because I thought that was really cool. Their pricing I'll talk about next. The pricing is just really good. So I've got, actually I'll show you what I got first, and then I'll share pricing. So I got this kit, Classic Essential Oil Kit, and this was only $20. Prices are really, really good. So these are all organic, and this is eucalyptus, lavender, peppermint, sweet orange, and tea tree. So a lot of really common essential oils that we use a lot. So here they came in this little, it's zero plastic, it's just cardboard packaging, and they were just sitting in there. I've already opened I think a couple of them. So they're all 5 milliliter bottles, which is fine. This was only $20, so it could be whatever size for that price. So this is certified organic eucalyptus, and I like their lids are a little bit different than any other brand. Like, some of the Young Living oils have this kind of lid if it's if it's super, I don't know, toxic to children or whatever. They have the safety lid, but all of these oils have it, which I do appreciate because we have kids and pets, and so that was nice. Their labels are very basic, and you can just tell very sustainable. They're not plasticky and flashy. They're just here are some really good organic essential oils. Deal with it. So this is eucalyptus, super fresh. This one is, I thought it was from somewhere. Nope, it must be the next one. Oh yeah, this one is Oregon peppermint. So obviously that is where it is from. And the same lid, again, this says plant part aerial portion. I don't really even know what that means. Super fresh. It is slightly different though from other peppermints. It's really sweet. I love peppermint, especially in my fume. Lavender, again, certified organic lavender. This is Lavandula angustifolia, the lavender we all know and love. Smells really good. It's very herby. It's more herby than sweet, if you compare your lavenders like I do. And then sweet orange, which this says is from the fruit peel, but it's sweet orange. So an orange essence or sweet orange that I've had before is more from the, not from the peel. So this smells so fresh, but it is different. Yeah, it's a little bit more sweet. So this is Citrus sinensis, and then the last oil in this kit is certified organic tea tree, which tea tree is used all the time in our house. It's very powerful. And this is just your classic, I don't know, it kind of smells dirty, like a dirty plant. I really do not care for the smell of tea tree, but it works so well for so many things. Okay, so that is the kit, classic kit. What is it? And it does have a lot number, so they do test their oils. A lot of different testing, actually. And then I got 3 different rollers. So these are pre-diluted, ready to just apply topically rollers. This one is Helichrysum, which is our owie roller. This is really good for stopping bleeding or just kind of helping the healing process. does not smell good. It says support your skin with our dry floral handcrafted helichrysum blend. This convenient roll top bottle can be easily stored. Apply directly to skin whenever you need it the most. So this is just fractionated coconut oil, organic, and then helichrysum essential oil. Yeah, it doesn't, I mean, it's not supposed to smell good. It's not like a fragrance oil, but it's very powerful skin supporting. And then summertime, you know, we're just always getting owies, so I figured I would get a new one to throw in my purse. I also got patchouli roll-on. I really just apply patchouli undiluted a lot, but I thought I would just get this. These were between 10 and 15. One was 10, one was 13, and one was 15, I think. I'm assuming the helichrysum was the most. But all super affordable. And these are so handy because you just buy this and use it. You don't have to buy carrier oil and then a bottle and then a roller and then mix it all together and then use it. Like, these are just ready to go. So they're really handy. This patchouli smells really good. It smells like a very nice, like, good quality patchouli. And I love patchouli. It's kind of like a dirty, floral, not everyone likes it type of scent, but I love it. And then I also got throat chakra blend. So this is a blend of a few essential oils. It's fractionated coconut oil, and then it has cypress, and fir, so just 2, which I have the throat chakra from Rocky Mountain and I love it so much, but it's a blue tansy and peppermint, so it's very different, and I was excited to try this. Chris loves pine and fir oils, so he'll probably use this more than I, honestly, but I love that it's a different blend for supporting your throat chakra. Okay, pricing. The kit was $20. Like I said, the roll-ons were between 10 and 15. Super good price. And then the lavender, just to compare, a 15 ml bottle of lavender was $15.75, which is exactly almost half the price of Young Living. So, and in no doubt, they don't have lesser quality oils, and Young Living does not have better quality oils than Mountain Rose. So it's kind of mind-blowing to me, because sometimes you're like, well, it might be a different oil, or it might be a different blend, or it might be pre-diluted, but these are the exact same oils, half the price, so that's crazy, and that says a lot. So quality and testing, all of the oils that I got are organic, and I don't think I found any that weren't organic, and they are certified organic. They have also a bunch of different certifications on their website, which I will have below. Young Living's are not certified organic oils, so like I said, their oils are not better for literally double the price. Crazy. The soil health, they are all about like watershed, which I didn't really know about, and I learned something there. I'll put that below too, but they started the Mountain Rose River Project in 2009 to help support that. They're fair trade, and there's a lot about that on their site. Zero waste, sustainable packaging like you saw, and then they have sustainability reports available, which they're doing so much as far as that goes. Okay, so for testing, I got this from their website. It says Mountain Rose Herbs was one of the first herbal product companies to establish and run a full microbial and analytical lab on site. This allows us to offer complete and sophisticated certifications or certificates of analysis. Our botanicals are analyzed and measured for identity, microbial, chemical, and physical contaminants. If any material fails to meet our specs, it is not released into the production. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 different testing that they do. So all of that is right on line with what I approve and what I require, honestly, in an essential oil company. And then a couple of other pros is they have so many different products. Probably, and more, I think, than Young Living, because one of the things that we love about Young Living is that they have like our supplements and just all kinds of different body and bath products, but so does Mountain Rose, and they also have herbs. That's one of the big things with them, and that's what they started with too, along with oils. But they have like carrot oils and DIY ingredients and containers and books and education. They have a lot of education on their website, and they have a list of schools that they approve of, like herbal holistic schools. They go above and beyond of being a really moral company and being really good. They put the earth and the quality of their oils above price and everything else. Their prices are great. Like that. So like all of the other brands like Rocky Mountain and Eden's Garden that I do love and approve of too, just the price is kind of high, like comparable with Young Living, but This is a brand that I have found the quality to be either better or the same as the top companies, but their prices are a lot less, which I do appreciate, and I feel like you guys will too. We all just want really good oils at an affordable price, right? So I love that. And then the last pro I have listed is they have huge bottles. So if you use lavender like so much, you can get like I think it was 8 or 16 ounce bottle of lavender. It's like $200, but they have those bigger containers. So this also came with my order. It's a product guide about herbs, recipes. This is like it's a conference, which is July 29th in Durango, Colorado. That's kind of cool. And then what else? Some more information. Savings. So they have a new text community. You can sign up for coupons, check out what you've been missing. Herbal education videos, recipes, podcasts. So that comes with the order too. And then this is about my kit that I got, which I really appreciate. So it has a lot about each oil that was in my kit. So lavender, fresh, sweet, floral, used universally to calm the mood, promote restful sleep. A lot of uses, how to use it. They have storage tips, dilution tips. So all of the things that you need to know, and I love that. I'm excited about this recipe book. I'll be looking at this in a second. But okay, I think that's it. I love them. I want to know what you guys think. Have you used them before? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what brand you want me to try and compare to next. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.